Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a 1999 Ford Lightning F-150 with 11,000 original miles. It's about as rare as it comes. These things were discontinued in 2004. Was the last year they made these. They're supercharged, 360. This one has about 370 horsepower. It's very fast. But yeah, these are the hot commodity right now. There's not many out there with this mileage, and I've seen a few on eBay sell for about 45 grand. They've had a little bit less mileage than this. Yeah, these are pretty rare. Get thumbs up whenever you drive it around. I mean, the thing's really never even been used. I'll show you guys. Check out the bed. It's like a brand new truck. Nothing's ever been in there. Interior is spotless. I mean, it still smells new inside, guys, from 1999. I mean, this is crazy. Seats have no wear on them. The Lightnings were cool. They had this cool interior, like the suede interior. And then they had these cool white gauges. Pretty cool. There's a boost gauge right up there. Right there. I think it'll make around 8 or 10 pounds. But check out the radio, guys. I mean, look at the buttons. Nothing's ever been pushed. I mean, fires right up. 11,019. Anyways, guys, that's the truck. If you got any comments on it, comment down below. Like and subscribe if you like the video. I buy a lot of vehicles like this that are really rare, have low mileage, and then I'll sell them. This one, I believe it's sold already. I got a deposit on it yesterday, so I'm kind of upset. It's a badass truck, but that's what I do, guys. I buy and sell rare stuff like this. Tractors, trucks, it don't matter. So, alright guys, thanks for watching.